Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to split or combine text cells with Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that needs to be reorganized, whether you're separating full names into first and last names or merging information from multiple columns into one. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to split or combine text cells. This will open up your Google Sheet and display all your data. Make sure you're working on the correct sheet to avoid any confusion. Let's start with splitting text first. Highlight the cell that contains the text you want to split. This could be a cell with a full name, address, or any data that's combined together. Once you've selected the cell, look towards the top menu bar and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your data. From the drop-down menu, click on Split Text to Columns. This feature is specifically designed to break apart text based on a character or separator you choose. As soon as you click this, you'll notice that a separator option appears. Click the drop-down menu beside separator to see your choices. You'll have several options here, including comma, semicolon, period, space, or custom. The choice depends on how your data is structured. For this example, let's click space since we want to split text that's separated by spaces. Once you select it, you'll immediately see that the text splits into multiple columns based on where the spaces were. This happens automatically and reorganizes your data instantly. Now let's move on to combining text, which requires a different approach. To combine text from multiple cells, we need to use a formula called CONCATENATE. Click on an empty cell where you want the combined text to appear. In this cell, type CONCATENATE followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, click on the first cell you want to include in the combination. After clicking it, add a comma, then type double quotation marks with a space in between them. This space ensures that when the text combines, there's proper spacing between the words. Add another comma after the closing quotation mark. Now click on the second cell you want to combine, add another comma, then again type double quotation marks with a space and another closing double quotation mark. This keeps your formatting consistent. Add one more comma and click on the last cell you want to include in the combination. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. The formula will execute and display the combined text from all the selected cells in the format you specified. The great thing about this formula is that it's reusable. Now you can drag the formula down to apply it to other rows. Simply click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell with your formula and drag it downward. The formula will automatically adjust for each row, combining the corresponding cells. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to both split and combine text cells in Google Sheets, giving you complete control over how your data is organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.